So let us continue with another problem. Write a program to print the reverse of given array without using inbuilt functions. So without using inbuilt functions, let us try to reverse the given array by using code. So first thing is just want to read the input. How to read the input? By using input function, we can read the input. So they are separated by space. So based on that, I'd like to split my given input so that I got elements as string values. Now I'd like to map each and every element to integer value. So that's why I'd like to use a map function, and I need a list objects, right? So that's why I convert the map objects into list objects. Now in this way we can read the given input. So let us print and check whether it is reading correctly and printing correctly or not. So let us provide input. You can see the input and output we got. Now what I want, the reverse I want. It is done by using simply slicing. How to slice it there? Simple, very simple, and put two colons and then put -1. That's it. The reverse of the given list will came. That's it. Very simple. Put two colons and put -1. That's it. So let us provide an input and check whether it is working or not. You can see the reverse of the given list got printed. If you don't want like this, if you don't want in the array format, you want in this format, in that case, you want to put a star here. That's it. Very simple. Let us try with it. So 3, 4, 4, and 5. So you can see whatever the output that you are expecting, that was got. Very simple. It's just a single line. Even you can want to reduce it, then you can directly use this line in print statement itself, so that you can even do it in a single line, reading as well as printing of the list in a single line. Reading and printing of a list, reverse of a list in a single line, you can even do it in this way. So you can see the list is read successfully and got printed reverse successfully. In this way, you can able to simply reverse the given elements of the list. Sir, you have told me one way. Is it possible to do it in another way, sir? Yeah. We can even do it without using slicing operation. This is slicing, right? Without using this slicing operation, we can even do it. So what does this slicing indicate, sir? This is the start index here we need to provide. Since we have not provided anything, it will start from initial point, that is 0th index. And this is the end index, that is nothing but length of my list. Till that it will move. But here -1 indicates reverse. That means I want to move in reverse order. That's why it is printing in reverse. Even you can run and check. So 3, 4, 5, 6. So we haven't got anything. Since we are running in reverse order, where do we need to start? At last index. What is that? Length of L. And where do we need to stop? That is start index. There we need to stop. So here you can see 5, 4, 3. But whatever we provided, 3, 4, 5 we provided, but reverse is 5, 4, 3. So by using list in this slicing operation, we can even perform reverse of given list. Or else, is there any another way, sir? Yeah, there is another way as well. Let us try with another way. Let me take an empty list and let me take each and every element in the list, and let me put that let me put that at the front or at the back. So currently I have taken 3. So just I want to add it to my list. So let me add. In which side I want to add? So currently I found my element. So I just need to take and put it at the end. Then take another element and then put it before this. So it must be put before my element. Whatever the current data in my NL new list has, and whatever the data I picked, whatever the element do I picked from the list, that I want to update in front of my new list. So let me print my new list each and every time so that it will be more visualizable to me. So let me take the values like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I want the reverse. So you can say first one is picked and then it is put in a new list NL, and then after 2 got as element, 2 got stored in element, then how it becomes 2 comma 1. So it is reversed up till here. Now I just picking this element and just putting in front. Next I'm picking this 4 element and just putting in front, and then in finally I'm picking the last element and putting it in front. Then finally I'm printing my whatever the list I got. In this way you you can even reverse the given list in Python. So let us run it again. 546. Yeah, that's it. I have provided an extra space before, that's why it's got some error. I hope this video is understandable to you. Try to do this by your own, then try to implement this by watching where you struck it. I hope this video is understandable to you. If you got stuck at any point or if you impressed with my explanation, just comment so that I can understood your feeling. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thanks for watching again. Please must practice so that you can able to solve another type of these type of problems. So thank you. Thanks for watching again.